Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to eat pasta. So spaghettini. So this is a clam, and this one is a sun-dried tomato. It's very tasty. You can get easy some regular market. I'm just soak in the hot water about 10 minutes, making soft. Usually this one is kind of like dry one or marinated in olive oil. You can find so easy. Sun-dried tomato. It looks beautiful because red color mixed with the pasta. It's very tasty. So always basic. I'm using hot chili pepper, garlic, and anchovy paste. So using white wine, olive oil, secret seasoning, naan fish sauce, and mitzvah, little decoration, and green. Okay, let's start cooking. Boiling water about 3 liter. I'm already at 30 grams salt. And spaghettini in. So this one is a little thin one. So it takes about 5-6 minutes. And chop the garlic and hot chili pepper, anchovy paste. Oil. Then turn on the switch. High flame. Start garlic, change a little bit color brown, white wine, tomato. Taste al dente. Good. A little bit. Olive oil. Taste a little bit. Perfect. start to eat. Vongole with sun-dried tomato. Taste. Let me check. Sun-dried tomato. This one. Good flavor. Pasta. Yummy. So sun-dried tomato has a little bit salt flavor. That's why you better adjust salt taste, because I'm just putting the anchovy paste. Anchovy paste has a salt flavor. So in this kind of pasta, you have to think about totally how many salt inside, because clam has salt. So it's boiling water of pasta has a salt. So you better think how many salt inside in this pasta. That's a making point. Yummy. Very tasty. Good accent of that sun-dried tomato. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day.